EXKOUR family, we are back. We're making a teepee. What do you have to say to the EXKOUR family?
Big stick. Big teepee. Look out, it's a spider.
It's not a spider.
It's not a spider though. Hang on. Oh, oh.
Oh god.
Now that's an EXKOUR moment.
Yep. EXK10.
Brought to you by Jensen's channel. We've lost many allies in the past couple months.
Yeah, it's sad.
Bad birds.
His cat Nico, and then his leopard gecko, Avalon.
I'm going back in.
Okay.
Somewhere. I need a big stick. Well, talk to him.
I don't know. I do not know what to say. His dad and Drake are making a teepee. Or
Tell him the whole thing.
okay.
The whole thing.
The whole story?
Yeah, the whole story.
Our backstory, okay. This story is called The Terror of the Hiatus of EXKOUR. Okay, so we were chilling. We were getting a lot of views on YouTube. And you know what? His his charger is burning out, and then he plugs in his computer, not knowing that it was burning out. So then his computer just burnt out, stopped working, you know. And so we can't edit, we can't make Frightening Fridays. So that's the reason we went on a hiatus. He's very just chilling. Can't even see you that well. He's over there. But yeah, as we record this, February 18th, we are making EXK10. It's not going to be as great quality because we don't have all of our effects, and I'm also a terrible editor. But it's going to work out.
What did you say? You're a terrible what?
I'm a terrible editor.
You just say those things.
Why?
You just say good things so they come true.
Oh, so our teepee.
It's warmer in there, Jensen. Get in there, it blocks the wind, and you can tell the difference. Get down in there. You can
Oh,
tell
that's nice.
You're gonna get a wet butt. I need to get you something to sit on. Hang on, let me go get you some cardboard.
Oh, carpet.
Carpet?
Yeah.
Surprisingly, did not get wet at all. Drake, how are you liking it?
Good. So I'm staying in it for a minute.
Yeah, I was working on making a fire. Well,
Think of this like it's like an EXKOUR,
returning special.
basically. Not
What are we gonna call it?
The return of EXKOUR. I don't know. Drake, get out of there.
Oh my god.
All right. Here's carpet.
Now our butt won't get wet.
Yep.
Now we can sleep in there.
Get it? Yeah, okay. Get in there and go sleep.
I should get my thermal blanket.
No, don't waste those yet.
Oh, mini flashlight. Is that
We can take our shoes off.
USB rechargeable flashlight, guys? So guys, as we're here, please put in the comments like what you want to do for us, or just
eat your shoes.
no, or just give us money. We need the donations.
This is us coming back.
Yes, this is us coming back.
And we will subscribe to YouTube channel.
Yep, you
Subscribe to EXKOUR.
Subscribe, hit the like button, hit that dang old notification bell. You know how we
And
did.
subscribe to EXKOUR.
Oh God.
And
This is scary. This is scary.
And subscribe to EXKOUR.
Yeah, it's what he said.
I know, Drake found it.
Just building a teepee right on top of us. Well,
What's that?
oh my God.
It's our buffalo skin to go around our teepee.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Or actually, instead of a tarp, we should use a thermal blanket because it'll keep more heat in.
It'll tear easier. Huh?
Oh yeah.
I fall asleep like
He was talking about those blankets. I said it would tear too easy.
Drake.
Fall asleep like one.
I'm just chilling. Well, EXKOUR family, I will update you in a bit.
Yeah, and we will,
There's the buffalo
and
skin.
everybody will have to subscribe to our channel, every single one. So
Drake,
goodbye,
yell at them to
goodbye.
subscribe. Guys, you won't believe what I just did. Yeah, I just burnt a fire by myself using this stuff. That was awesome. Yeah, it's burning. Nice.
Maybe grab some cardboard. Grab some cardboard.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Right here.
It's warm. Yeah, Drake, you go lay in the teepee, bro. Well, that's dope. Now, guys, if you don't mind, I'm gonna set you up somewhere. I don't know where you're going. Yeah, it's still burning. Oh. What? It's February 18th, bro. It's winter, not summer.
It's a weird winter.
Yeah, it's a weird winter. Hello. I'm gonna go get some more firewood. They're over there. Looking for stuff. Drake, I don't want to be attacked. I'm holding I have $200 in my hand, bro.
If you die, then you waste
My name is Anchovy. I'm Caesar Salad. Can I call animals with this?
Oh, they'll probably run away.
What about birds?
Huh?
What about birds?
Probably not. Every bird has a different little tune, so.
No birds responding.
Okay. Just gonna keep pulling.
I don't know why, but the darker that it is outside, the better my camera is until it's pitch black and you can't see anything. Like right now is the perfect filming lighting.
I hope your brother's still in that TV.
I don't think so. Nope.
You have to imagine it's like negative 20 out,
Oh.
and you're freezing.
And you don't have a winter coat with you. Yeah, imagine it was just regular February weather.
Yeah.
July is apparently the hottest month, and January is the coldest month. I wish we lived in Australia, because even July, when it's the coldest month there, it's still like 50 degrees on average.
It's a good place.
We need to go to Australia.
Maybe someday. Wouldn't count on it. We can try.
One of those I got shipped halfway across the globe challenge, where we actually go to Australia. My parents would kill us.
Depends on our success level.
Yeah.
If they don't pay for it, you're with an adult. What can they say? Just like I'm sure they'll probably be a little fiddy and fidgety about you camping, but you're gonna be with 2 adults.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be fine.
2 somewhat professional campers.
Not at all.
Well, at least you guys have experience.
So,
Yep.
enough.
No food,
Enough.
hunting squirrels and fishing for bluegill and
Yeah, I think that's
catching
that's
crawfish.
Drake's throne at this point.
Yep.
Almost done.
Yep.
Fire goes perfectly.
That looks cool. I did that, guys. I did that.
Now we gotta.
I want to light the next fire.
Because all that water.
Do you have anything to say?
It's been a productive time.
Mm-hmm.
More than I've had.
Yep. For like the time that it was just like on the tree stump, we needed to have like one of your songs play for that period of time. Maybe finished Catablepus, or maybe just a chiller song. Maybe just like a chill song.
Hi.
You can always loop the chiller parts of that song.
Yep. Or just use stuff from a video game like Earthbound.
We'll figure it out. My eyes!
Papa gave that to me.
Don't lose it.
EXKOUR compilation, 5 minutes of Cody Deal raging.
Probably losing it. Someone has to be angry.
Wait, so since we took a big hiatus, will this be season 3?
Yeah, we're gonna start at season 3. How
Okay.
many episodes were in the last season? Like 3? It's okay.
Maybe like.
Oh, I mean, they were longer. Like, one was like 50 minutes long.
We'll just start fresh at a new season.
Yep.
Now I have my own.
We'll say that they pulled us off the air and there was so many fans that wanted us back that they had to start a new season.
Yep.
I don't know.
That might be in the intro.
I bet nobody's thought about EXKOUR in a while.
Yep.
I mean, that might be one or 2 fans that say, dang, what happened to those guys? They were doing it.
Kana. She's most likely our biggest fan. Drake, don't put your mouth on that, bro. I put my mouth on that, and I don't want your mouth to be on that. Oh, look at all that stuff that's coming out. It's disgusting, bro. Don't touch my stuff, okay? Don't touch my stuff. What if I said no, Drake? You already have your stuff. Go on your throne.
Yes?
Go on your throne over there.
That's your house, boy.
Yep.
And myself.
Oh my God, the smoke is insane. We need to walk around the woods.
It's lava. Jump over the.
We need to walk around the woods.
Let's do it.
Let me get all these on here. This is how you keep the fire going. This
Yep. Oh, you see that? It all came from me. Who knew fire turned me into a pyromaniac and gave me a big ego?
Jensen.
It gave you a what?
A big ego.
Oh.
Oh my god, the smoke is insane!
Alright.
I got really far in The Office. I'm at like season 2, episode 7 of The Office.
You're watching The Office?
Yep.
It's ridiculous, ain't it?
Yep. A lot of Gen X humor that I shouldn't understand because I'm an 11-year-old. Am I Gen Alpha or Gen Z?
I don't think it matters.
You
You don't want to be either.
Yeah. Yep. There's one in there. Right, just jump out, bro. There's still a beetle in there.
Is there?
Yep. Guys,
Yeah, you're good, Drake.
Are beetles not good?
They won't bite you unless you give them a reason to.
yeah.
What happened to you give them?
I just did.
I don't know, Drake. So, get more wood.
What's slow one?
Rage in front of the camera.
What's up with slow one?
Slow mode?
Give us a
Slow one
give us a roar.
somebody 60 watts slow.
This is not gonna break on my hip. Ah! No, it won't. War cry, boy.
Best Jensen best Drake Ruiz moments. Cody Deal raging for
Jensen.
Spit it out.
for 27 minutes straight.
Sounds like any day that Drake's not listening.
Yep. What would be the one for me?
Don't know.
Or for Drake, it'd be the stupid Drake Ruiz quotes.
Dad!
You good, Drake? Are you raging yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm what?
Like, what else did you expect?
Like, hello.
Alright.
What's your name?
Hurry.
My name is Mary Jane. Like, that is my favorite name.
I'm doing so long.
Drake, the fire's gonna go out. Hurry.
I can't. There, that's my pterodactyl.
Hello there, citizens. My name is Drake Ruiz. I won't break anything inside. Oh, please don't see this. It's so embarrassing. Get out of here. Drake, no stand no look.
So it doesn't
Leave
even.
this place, Jesus.
What did you just say? Drake, you can't say that.
What did you say?
Leave this place, Jesus. A great portion of my viewers will get mad. Or of our viewers.
They'll get over it.
It's just a 3-year-old.
It's just words.
Wait, he's a 4-year-old.
He's 4.
I forgot his age. Get out of the way of the camera, bro.
Jensen,
What?
me and Daddy,
What do you want?
my dad beat a Super Mario Odyssey for me.
Again?
What?
For like the 1 millionth time.
This is, he'll be there for one time.
Drake sales smoke.
Ah, my eyes! My eyes! Oh, my eyes. I wonder if there's anything on that.
Jump.
Or you can get him upload it to your channel and call it
What?
EXKOUR Family Deluxe,
Edition.
something like that. Yeah, I need something.
EXKOUR 10, the return of EXKOUR. That's what we'll call it. Oh my god! Oh my god, viewers! Oh my god, viewers! Okay.
This will work. I just need a fan, really.
Oh. I got some stuff in here. It's the essentials, my guy.
There we go. It'll be alright. You can keep that. Won't waste it.
Spent 5 minutes trying to get it out. To not even use it.
Gotta keep it in a special pocket. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it's
Where you want
perfect.
your chair in teepee?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Warm and cozy.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There. You can look right out. You're warm and cozy.
I thought I had my head strap. Everyone, give us all of your money so we can get him a computer so we can make better videos. Yeah, just everybody give us all of your money.
Now, back up.
Nice.